Earth is home to many different environments. Some places are hot and dry, while others are cold and covered in ice. These large natural regions are called biomes. Each biome has its own climate, plants, and animals. A biome is a large area with similar climate and ecosystems. Temperature, rainfall, and sunlight shape the conditions of each biome. These conditions determine which plants and animals can survive there. Biomes help scientists understand how life is organized on Earth. Climate is the most important factor in a biome. Temperature and precipitation control the type of vegetation. For example, deserts receive very little rain. Rainforests, on the other hand, receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. Plants must adapt to the climate of their biome. In deserts, plants store water and reduce water loss. In cold regions, plants grow slowly and stay close to the ground. These adaptations allow plants to survive extreme environments. Animals also adapt to their environments. Some animals develop thick fur to survive cold climates. Others are active only at night to avoid daytime heat. These adaptations help them find food and avoid danger. Tropical rainforests are warm and wet all year. They are found near the equator in regions like South America and Southeast Asia. Rainforests contain the greatest biodiversity on Earth. Millions of species live in these dense forests. Deserts are very dry regions with little rainfall. Temperatures can be extremely hot during the day and cold at night. Plants such as cacti store water inside their stems. Animals survive by conserving water and avoiding the heat. Grasslands are wide open areas dominated by grasses. They receive moderate rainfall, but not enough for large forests. Many large animals live in grasslands, including bison, antelope, and zebras. These ecosystems are important for grazing animals. Temperate forests experience 4 seasons. They have warm summers and cold winters. Trees lose their leaves during autumn to conserve energy. These forests are common in Europe, East Asia, and North America. The taiga is the largest biome on Earth. It stretches across Canada, Russia, and Northern Europe. Winters are long and extremely cold. Conifer trees like pine and spruce dominate this biome. The tundra is one of the coldest biomes on Earth. It has frozen ground called permafrost. Because of the cold climate, very few trees can grow there. Mosses, lichens, and small plants dominate the tundra landscape. Oceans also form a major global biome. They cover more than 70% of Earth's surface. Marine ecosystems contain an incredible variety of life. From tiny plankton to massive whales, the ocean supports complex food chains. Different biomes support different levels of biodiversity. Rainforests contain the largest number of species. Deserts and tundra have fewer organisms due to harsh climates. Understanding biodiversity helps scientists protect ecosystems. Human activity is changing many biomes. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change affect ecosystems worldwide. Many species lose their habitats due to these changes. Protecting biomes is essential for the future of life on Earth. Ocean currents connect all the oceans together. They transport energy around the planet. This movement stabilizes Earth's climate system. Without currents, our world would be very different. Which biome contains the greatest biodiversity on Earth? A. Desert. B. Tundra. C. Tropical rainforest. D. Grassland.